Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you the ongoing journey of a cutting I obtained through air layering about 6 months ago. In a previous video, I successfully demonstrated the process of air layering using my 3D printed air layering ball and it was a success. However, the story doesn't end there. I had a small cutting left over from that experiment and I decided to attempt its propagation. Initially, things were looking promising as the cutting began to establish itself. But as luck would have it, a spell of heavy rain caused excessive moisture, leading to root rot, which is a common challenge in such situations. Now, after 6 months have passed, I'm determined to bring this resilient cutting back to life. It appears to have developed some roots initially, but lost them due to root rot setback. This journey of revival is not without its challenges, but I'm committed to documenting it and sharing the progress with you. If you are interested in seeing how this story unfolds and whether I can successfully revive this cutting, please consider subscribing to my channel. Your support and interest in this plant propagation adventure mean a lot. Thank you for joining me on this exciting journey.